In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions, but more precisely, chez. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. So, this lesson is about chez, and the preposition chez can mean at the home place of, or at the office practice of, depending on the context. So we will see 4 examples with chez. Je vais chez le médecin cet après-midi. Je vais chez le médecin cet après-midi. Elle est chez elle en ce moment. Elle est chez elle en ce moment. Nous aimons dîner chez nos grands-parents le dimanche. Nous aimons dîner chez nos grands-parents le dimanche. Il a oublié son sac chez Marie. Il a oublié son sac chez Marie.